dipakai dalam jawaban itu.
Have you ever met an Indonesian?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have met an Indonesian.
Atau,
No, I haven't.
akan tetapi, dalam jawaban negatif yang panjang, dipakai suatu kata lain yang sudah pernah kita dengar. Coba dengarkan.
He's never seen a becak.
Artinya, selama hidupnya hingga saat ini, Chris belum pernah melihat becak. Coba ucapkan contoh berikut sesudah Chris.
I've never seen a shark.
Bagus. Sekarang beberapa latihan lagi. Saudara akan mendengar suatu pertanyaan. Misalnya,
Have you ever seen a shark?
dan saudara hendaknya menjawab, belum pernah.
No, I've never seen a shark.
Ulangilah jawaban yang betul sesudah Chris.
Have you ever seen a shark?
No, I've never seen a shark.
Have you ever visited Darwin?
No, I've never visited Darwin.
Have you ever baked a cake?
No, I've never baked a cake.
Saudara pendengar, satu latihan lagi. Kali ini akan kita bandingkan lagi pemakaian the present perfect tense dengan the simple past tense. Coba dengarkan.
Have you ever visited Perth?
Yes, I have.
When did you go there?
I went there 3 years ago.
Dalam pertanyaan pertama, kita ingin mengetahui apakah hal yang disebutkan pernah dilakukan dalam hidup kita.
Have you ever visited Perth?
Yes, I have.
Dalam pertanyaan kedua, kita menanyakan kapan hal itu dilakukan. Jadi, kali ini yang penting bagi kita adalah saat dilakukannya kegiatan itu, dan bukan kegiatan itu sendiri.
When did you go there?
I went there 3 years ago.
Hal itu jelas terjadi pada waktu yang lampau. Kata ago selalu menunjukkan masa lalu. Nah, berikut ini latihannya. Saudara akan mendengar bagian pertama suatu percakapan, misalnya,
Have you ever eaten a mango?
Yes, I have.
kemudian saudara hendaknya bertanya,
When did you eat it?
dan sesudah itu, ulangilah pertanyaan yang betul, dan dengarkan juga jawaban atas pertanyaan itu. Siap, saudara-saudara?
Have you ever eaten a durian?
Yes, I have.
When did you eat it?
I ate it about a month ago in a restaurant.
Have you ever heard an Indonesian song?
Yes, I have.
When did you hear it?
I heard it 3 weeks ago at a party.
Have you ever traveled by plane?
Yes, I have.
When did you travel by plane?
I travelled by plane 3 years ago when I went to Perth. It was the first time. I liked it. You've travelled by plane too, haven't you, Iwan?
Yes, I traveled by plane when I came to Australia 2 years ago.
And now you've heard 4 parts of the program, listeners, haven't you? So far, you've heard 4 parts of the program. Nah, saat ini Chris dan Iwan sedang menyusun kotak-kotak kosong untuk Mrs. Scott di garasi.
Good, Iwan. Oh, we've nearly finished. Now, give me that one. Right. That's it.
Here you are, boys. Something to drink.
Oh, great. Thanks, Mrs. Scott.
And sandwiches, too. Good. This is hard work.
See you later. Bye.
Bye. Oh, nice sandwiches.
Yeah, delicious. You've eaten Indonesian food, haven't you, Chris?
Yes, of course. I've eaten it many times.
Have you ever eaten satay?
Yes, I've eaten satay.
What about squid? Have you ever eaten squid?
No, I haven't. I've never eaten squid.
What about French food? Have you ever tried it?
Yes, I have, as a matter of fact. I've eaten frog's legs.
Where did you eat them?
In a French restaurant, of course. Have you ever tried French food?
No, I haven't.
Well, I have, but so far you haven't eaten French food.
Chris sudah pernah makan kaki kodok yang amat populer di banyak restoran Prancis di kota-kota besar Australia. Iwan belum pernah mencoba makanan Prancis.
I'm going to eat some Indonesian food in December. When are you going to eat some French food?
I don't know.
Well, let's go to a French restaurant at the weekend.
No.
Why not?
You're saving money, remember, for your trip to Indonesia. Have you saved much so far?
Oh, yes, a fair bit. And I'm going to get a job with my father for a couple of weeks.
Good. Well, we finished the sandwiches.
Here, you can finish the lemonade.
Thanks.
Now, back to these boxes.
Have you ever worked for your father?
Yes, I have.
When did you work for him?
About 2 years ago. It was very hard, too. But this time I'm going to drive a small truck. It'll be easier, I think.
Have you ever driven a truck before?
No, I haven't. I've driven a car, of course, but I've never driven a truck.
Well, I hope you're right. I hope it'll be easy.
It'll be easier than moving these boxes.
Mudah-mudahan mengemudikan truk tidak terlalu sukar bagi Chris. Dan saya harap dia akan dapat menabung sedikit untuk membiayai perjalanannya. Saudara pendengar, sudah tiba saatnya bagi kami untuk minta diri. You've heard 5 parts of the program. Tetapi jangan lupa membaca bagian yang berjudul After the Broadcast dari pelajaran tadi. Dan pelajarilah bagian yang berjudul Before the Broadcast dari pelajaran nomor 46. Dan sekarang, goodbye listeners.